Hey everyone, welcome to Lucky Tech Life, where we equip people how to use and learn your device in everyday life. My name is Lucky, and in this video, we're talking about WhatsApp. Specifically, how to restore your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. But before we get started, if you have not already backed up your WhatsApp account, check out this video to learn how. If you've already bought a new phone recently, check out these iPhone and Samsung transfer tools on how to transfer your old phone to your new phone. And if you haven't already, go ahead down below and hit that subscribe button along with that bell button so you're not missing out on any new videos here on this channel. But without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing that we gotta do is we have to download the WhatsApp Messenger. In the App Store, if you have that Get icon or if you have that cloud icon, make sure to download that. And it's going to download. Now when it's done downloading, you just gotta hit that open. It's going to bring you to the WhatsApp setup page. You hit agree and continue. You enter in your phone number. It will have a backup already on your WhatsApp. If you have not backed it up, I'm going to show this once again. Learn how to back up here on this link. But when you have that backup on there, it's going to show you the time and date and the total size, and all you have to do is hit restore. If you do not want to restore your WhatsApp account, hit skip. But most of us want to restore, so hit restore. And it's going to download the content that was on the backup prior to. It will show you down below. And in the next page here, just hit next. Enter in your name. And that's it. That's all you have to do in order to restore your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button so you're not missing on any new videos that come out here on this channel every single week. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.